With Martin, the dude that work inside the therapy place.
Yeah.
Really, and with 2 screws. And then with 2 screws, and then adjust that top right there.
Right. Sometimes certain walkers now, you catch hell with 2 days.
Yeah.
Some walkers don't work on them. If they have that same brand of walker.
Yeah, that's why I got the drive walker and the driver platform attached.
When you look around and get another brand, a lot of times
If they ain't universal, then it ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying?
right, a lot of times if some people have their own walker, and you tell them, no, we don't use y'all walker. I can have my own walker.
We're gonna adjust that rod, and that way you can clamp it. Then have look like about 8 inches from the bar down. Yeah.
When I tall the person. How the other folks working out?
Well, we straight.
You back straight now? Did I have the office people yet?
They had it later yesterday for a sale, bro. What they say?
They ain't need nobody just getting the answer telephone and stuff.
They got 4 of them doing that. They got 4 of them. Then once you line it up, you just tighten down on it. Once you get it vertical, just tighten down on it. I believe it's shorter than that. Yeah, right there.
See, it's good to have the height too.
Height and weight.
Yeah. I did one the other day on lady 96 years old.
Then all that do is slide right in.
Tighten it up.
And then tighten it up and then angle it if you need. You know what I was going to try to do? Make this my bracket and go over there.
No.
That's why you saw the screws out. That's what I was going to do. I said, no, man, that don't even look right. That don't even feel right.
No, you did right. Come on.
Oh, yeah, man, I don't need no problem. Today Friday. Today Friday, man.
No problem.
Yeah, man, today Friday.
You had to get your whole new.
Today Friday, man. I'm going to make it all sweet.
You finna mess up.
Yeah.
You finna make your whole day hard.
Yeah, that's why I unscrewed it. Then I thought about it. I said, no, man. I supposed to lock in on 2 spots.
Yeah, you finna make your whole day hard.
Man.
You take it away from the easy day.
I ain't gonna put the 2 so that way you can adjust it when you get done.
That'll work.